Okay, so members, we are here now. Welcome back. We are going to see now 2024 paper 1 solutions. As you can see, the questions are always there on the video before you start praying it. So we are going to do number 1, number 2, and number 3 in this. But please, before you start, please visit the playlist. You will find more videos about what we are going to discuss. So subscribe to the channel to receive notifications always. So number 1 says, so the solution is for number 1. They had the 4 men and the 6 women, and they want a committee of 7 people. 7 people. That's the committee they want to form. So they're asking us to get a number of ways of doing this. So, number of ways we shall get now for at least 2 men. So, from 4, we can select 2 times, we select the balance from here. So, from, if you want 7, here I'm going to select 5, plus 4 combination 3, plus 6 combination now 4, plus 4 combination 4 times 6 combination 3. Then we press these ones on the calculator. We shall be getting 36 plus 60 plus 20, which sums to 116. So these are the number of ways we can get a committee of 7 people from 4 men and 6 women. Then we proceed to number 2. It was coming from analysis or calculus. A cylindrical can of capacity 1,000 cubic centimeters. So this is number 2. So they are giving us a cylinder. Its volume is 1000 cc. Telling us that its radius is x. So meaning, you know that my volume is pi r squared h. But they are telling me that this one, the radius is x. So this one is going to be equal to this. So now my pi 1000. So they want us to get a value of x. So meaning from here, I first make h the subject. So clearly it's that my h will be over pi x squared. So now the surface area, remember one side is open. So our surface area will be pi r squared plus pi 2 pi r h. But remember, our radius is x from here, and so I'm going to substitute the value of h in there. So clearly you can see I'm going to be having now pi. Now I'm substituting the h. So my surface area is going to be now pi, that's 1x is going to go, this will go, and also 1x is going to go. So when I take it up there, you could able see that I'm going to be having this 2 times this, be having 2000, then x power -1. Then for maximum, I'm going to differentiate the equation. So the x will be 2 pi x minus 2000 x power -2. But we know that for minimum values, our the x is 0. So I mean the whole of this will be equal now to 0. So 2 pi x equal to 0. So if you multiply through by x squared, we have 2 pi x cubed equals to 2000. If I make x the subject, my x will be the cube root of, remember, this 2 is going to go. So I have now 1000 over pi. So therefore, my x there will be the cube root of 1000 is 10, then the cube root of pi. And these are centimeters. So that's the value of x for the minimum value. Then number 3, it was coming from geometry, specifically the ellipse. So number 3, it gave us the equation. So we first rearrange it. Y equals to, plus 4 equals to 0. So this one we start by completing squares first. So first factorize out that 4 plus so for more of these ones, conics, you can visit the playlist. You'll see more examples about conic section. So completing squares, we have 4 into, now I complete squares for this. Half of this, then minus the square of that, equals to, then plus 4 equals to 0. So from there, we open our brackets properly. So we have now 4 minus 4. Then this will give us 100 plus 4 equals to 0. Now this one goes with this. So we have 4 squared plus 25 y minus 2 squared, take 100 other side. So if you want to put here 1, divide by 100, 100, 100. Divide here by 100, 100, 100. So this will give me over 25. Divide here by 100 to reduce. By 100 here, you get 1 clearly. Our center there is -1, then 2. Then to get our eccentricity, we know that b squared equals to a squared into 1 minus e squared. Our b squared, as you can see, is our 4. This one will be 25, then 1 minus e squared. From here, our e squared will be, you see this one, then I take the other side, I'm going to get, I'll get 21 out of 25. If I get the square root, now my e will be root 21 over 5. So for more of these ones, please visit the playlist and you see them in details. Those are the solutions for number 1, 2 up to 3. Let us move to 4 up to 6.